Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check deleted posts on Facebook. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. You can check deleted posts on Facebook for only 1 month. After 1 month, you won't be able to find that deleted post on Facebook. So to check that deleted post, first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you'll be taken to the home. Now tap on your profile with the 3 lines on top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings at first. Now here scroll down and look for your activity. Under your activity you can see activity log. Tap on activity log. Now on the top you can see various of options like archive, recycle bin, activity history. Tap on recycle bin. Now here you can see the post that you have deleted. As you can see here, my post has only 29 days left to be deleted from the Facebook permanently. After 29 days, the post won't be visible anymore. This is how we can check deleted posts on Facebook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.